Imagine building a YouTube channel that earns you money every single month without ever showing your face. No expensive cameras, no stage fright, no complicated setup, just smart ideas, creativity, and a little consistency. In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 powerful faceless YouTube channel ideas you can start in 2025. These are ready-to-use, beginner-friendly, and proven to attract views, subscribers, and revenue. Stay with me till the end, because number 5 might just blow your mind. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment to let me know which of these ideas you'll be trying. Trust me, your support helps us keep bringing you more high-value content. First up, motivational and success quotes channels. These are faceless, simple to produce, and people love them because everyone enjoys a daily dose of inspiration. You can take powerful quotes from famous leaders, authors, or entrepreneurs, then combine them with stock footage or AI-generated visuals, plus background music. Upload short videos or YouTube Shorts daily, and over time, you'll build a loyal audience who craves that inspiration. Best part? Once your channel grows, you can monetize through YouTube ads, sponsorships, or even sell your own digital products like ebooks or journals. Second, we have relaxing music and study sound channels. Think of lo-fi beats, meditation sounds, nature ambience, or even sleep music. People play these videos for hours while working, studying, or sleeping. With the right AI tools, you can create unlimited tracks without needing to play an instrument. Pair them with looping visuals of landscapes, animations, or calming graphics, and you're good to go. Some of these channels rack up millions of views monthly. Imagine your content helping people focus or sleep, while your channel earns money 24/7, even while you sleep. Third, animated storytelling. Everyone loves stories, whether it's scary tales, children's bedtime stories, or inspiring life lessons. With AI avatars, text-to-speech tools, and animation software, you can bring stories to life without ever showing your face. Storytelling channels grow fast because viewers binge watch episode after episode. And here's the trick. Create series-based content so people keep coming back to follow the next part of the story. Once you grow your audience, you can monetize not only with ads, but also with Patreon, sponsorships, or even turning your stories into ebooks. Fourth on the list, tech and AI tutorials. This is one of the hottest niches right now. You don't need to show your face, just screen record your laptop or phone while explaining apps, AI tools, or side hustle platforms. For example, you can create step-by-step guides on how to use ChatGPT, Canva, editing software, or new AI productivity hacks. Since people are searching for these tutorials every day, your videos can get a lot of organic views. Plus, the CPM, what YouTube pays per 1,000 views, in the tech niche is much higher than entertainment channels. That means fewer views, but more money in your pocket. And finally, compilation and top 10 channels. These are easy to create and super addictive to watch. You can make videos like Top 10 Richest Athletes, Top 10 Luxury Cars, or Top 10 AI Tools of 2025. All you need is royalty-free or Creative Commons clips, plus AI-generated voiceovers to narrate the list. People love quick entertainment and fast facts, which means higher watch time and more subscribers. Some of the biggest faceless channels today started with top 10 content and grew into millions of subscribers. So, those are 5 faceless YouTube channel ideas you can start right now in 2025. No excuses, just pick one idea, stay consistent, and let YouTube do the rest. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more powerful faceless YouTube strategies, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Hustle IQ, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another video.